Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Pinterest pin. So in order to do this, it's really easy. Just open the Pinterest app like this. Once you've done that, simply click on create at the middle of your screen, at the bottom basically, at that create button right here. Then click on pin because we need to create a pin. Now what we need to do is add a photo or a video to our pin, of course. So this can be a photo or a video. I'm just using my profile picture as an example. What you can then do is click on next. And right now we need to, of course, give our pin a title. So what is it about? You can, for example, do a nice graphic or something like that. You can add a description as well. You can add a link if you want to for marketing, for example. You can also pick a board. Basically, where do you want to add it to? If you already created a board, for example, if you already created a board, just click on test or the name of that board, and you can add it to that board as well. You can add some related topics so the algorithm can automatically find your board or your pin, and also some advanced settings such as allow comments. But yeah, basically once you've done that, click on create like this, and then basically that's all you need to do in order to create your pin. What you can then do is simply go and head over into save, click on pins, and then you will notice that this is your new pin you just posted. And that's all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.